Need to access the mechanical key or replace the battery in your Hyundai Elantra key fob? First, locate the release button on the back or side of the fob. Press it firmly to eject the mechanical key blade. This key can be used to manually unlock the car if the battery is dead. Next, to split the case for battery replacement, you'll need a small flat tool like a screwdriver or guitar pick. Carefully insert the tool into the seam running along the bottom or side of the fob. Gently pry the two halves apart, working your way around the case. Be careful not to damage the internal clips or electronics. With the case open, you'll see the battery, typically a CR2032 coin cell. Use a non-conductive tool to gently pop the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place. Before reassembling, inspect the rubber gasket for any damage. This gasket provides water resistance, IPX7 rating. Align the two halves of the fob case and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Test the fob to ensure it's working. If you encounter issues, try cycling the vehicle's ignition to reset the fob. Remember, cold weather or frequent use can drain the battery faster. Consider checking the battery annually to prevent lockouts. For 2024-2025 models with BlueLink, a software update may be needed for Bluetooth stability after battery changes. If your Elantra is still under warranty, consider professional battery replacement to avoid voiding the terms.